Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Paul here once again, and sorry I've been away for a couple months. I've had some personal things to deal with, but I am back, and in today's video I want to go over my top 3 picks for next week. But before we do that, please head on over and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into it. First we got LAC ticker symbol, lithium ambers. It's looking really good here for another leg up next week. Let's quick head over here and we'll talk about the news first. They beat their third quarter revenue estimates, and they did really good. And on Wednesday, that sent it up pretty high, about 3.4%. And they're only getting better. I do think that if we go over here, we'll look at the chart. I'm just seeing that next week is going to be another push higher. We can go to the daily chart, take a look at that, and as you can see, lots of buying power here. And I still think it has more room to run. So that's just one to watch for. Let's head on over to AGC. That's all-timer growth here, and if you look at the chart here on the daily, they had just bounced off of this 21-day moving average. I do anticipate that they're going to make another run around that $15 mark next week, and so everything's looking really good with them. So that's another one to watch for. If you also want to head over to here and check this out. They also had they got a vote that's coming up on November 30th for their merger with Grab here. Now it's already shot up just because of it. I do believe that after the vote, or riding right up to the vote, that it's going to make another push upwards. And seeing that it also is heavily shorted stock, let's just go over here and show you quick. Okay, if we scroll down here, the short float is at 47.20%. That is extremely high. It is outsane. It is outrageous. I don't see, if this thing doesn't squeeze over this merger, I don't know what stock will. So this is my number 1 pick for next week, the one that I'm going to be watching the most. I'm really liking this play. I've already picked up a couple of contracts. I'm looking to pick up more, possibly Monday. And if we go over here and just look at this chart here, it's just looking very good. We got this upwards trend line, and if you can see, we bounced off of it here, and we're going to head back up. So by the 30th, I definitely think we're going to make a very big leg up here. So let's keep that in mind. Watch that one for next week. And then the last one here I'm going to talk about is AMC, and this is strictly chart analysis on this one. I've been watching this one for a while, and I can see this W forming. So I think that next week we are definitely going to get a push up higher, and I do think that within the next couple weeks, maybe next week, seeing that we could probably hit this 46 to 48 mark, and by the end of the following week, I anticipate that we will be reaching that $52 to $55 mark. And by January, I'm saying it now, I think the squeeze is coming in January. At least another push up to see past this 72, really 77 mark if you go on a 4-hour chart. So I think they were really going to be pushing for that by January. I've said it in other videos before. If you don't know, not shaving the beard till 10K. So it's getting pretty long. I'm hoping it gets not too long, because then that means that the squeeze just isn't going to happen anytime soon. So with that being said, that's all I have for you guys in this week's video, and hope everybody has a good week and makes plenty of money. All right, have a good day. We'll see you next time.